Previously, we did an autoregressive modeling video and moving average modeling video to model stock price time series. We had observed the stock price time series is not purely an AR model or MA model. In fact, the stock price time series is more like a combination of AR and MA processes. So in this video, we will do an AR-MA model to analyze the stock price time series data. Similar to the previous AR and MA video, first we define a function to analyze the autocorrelation characteristics of a time series. Next, we will simulate an AR-MA time series using the stats model package. We use an ARMA model with AR coefficients of 0.6 and NA coefficients of 0.3. The simulated time series is shown here. It is quite close to a white noise. However, if you look at the autocorrelation characteristics, there are some lapse dependence as shown in the ACF and PACF plots. Next, we try to fit the simulated data to the ARMA model by choosing the order to be 1, 0, 1. The coefficient of the AR and MA from the analysis is shown here, and they agree well with the simulated data. Next, we will use the ARMA model to forecast the Syntel stock price time series. The autocorrelation analysis of the Syntel stock price review a strong moving average process as indicated in the ACF plot and an autoregressive process of one lag as indicated in the PACF plot. So next, we plot the simple moving average of 20 days overlay to the stock price. Next, we will perform a ARMA analysis of the Syntel stock price. This time, we will only select one lap for the MA and one lap for the AR instead of 10 laps in the previous MA modeling. The coefficients of MA and AR is shown here after the fitting. The AR is close to 1 and the MA is about 0.04. Next, we will use the train model to do the forecasting. So we use this function predict and put in the start date and end date to forecast the data, and we overlay all the data together. We observe that the forecast data fits extremely well to the raw data despite the fact that there are only 2 parameters. This concludes the video on ARMA modeling. The code can be downloaded below. The video on AR and MA can be referenced below. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.